Hi guys! Good morning! So, it's a Monday and ngayon nagpre-prepare ako dahil attend ako ng klase. So, I availed of the Makalaj Professional Module number 4, yung Personal Beauty, because I want to have somewhat formal classes para matuto naman ako ng proper makeup. Today, I don't have any makeup on because I still have my allergies. Hindi ganun kakita sa camera, but mostly it's on my T-zone, parang white bumps, and hindi naman siya pimple or whitehead or milia. White bumps lang talaga siya, and hindi ko pa natitrace kung saan, pero kunti-kunti siya natatanggal dahil wala akong nilalagay sa face ko right now, other than brows and then Tony Moly lip tint. I'm going to show you the things that I'm going to be bringing for the classes and kung ano pa. I have with me my jacket. Itong jacket na to is my go-to jacket, and saan ba to? From H&M. Ano lang siya, parang jacket lang na medyo maluwag and mahaba that you can cinch on the waist. Of course, phone, keyclay, planner, and then my bag. Dala rin ako ng laptop because my boyfriend is picking me up today and kailangan ko maghintay. Givenchy Rottweiler na pouch. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Simple lang. By the way, it's already 11:12 and my classes will start at 1. I really need to get going. Baka sabihin nyo masyadong maaga yung 2 hours, but dadaan ako ng C5, kaya I have to make sure. And itatry ko mag-film kung pwedeng mag-film ng snippets dun sa classes ko. Hi, Patek! I need to go. Bye! Bye-bye, Lay! Bye-bye, Lele! I know! Bye, Dixie! See you later! Bye-bye. Itong voucher na to, grab a filling treat, gas up, and grab a free bite. So what I did, dapat magpapagas ako ng 1,000 lang, and then sabi ni Kuya, 1,500 na daw so that I'd get this voucher. Nakalagay naman kasi is, may be redeemed for dine-in, drive-thru, and any takeout at any McDonald's store nationwide. So let's see. I think I'm going to be getting cheeseburger instead of crispy chicken sandwich. Sorry, gagamitin ko yung voucher galing sa Shell, yung free cheeseburger. And
Cheeseburger, ma'am?
Oo, and then pineapple juice.
Additional pineapple juice po.
Oo.
Okay na po?
Okay na, thank you.
Pindot na lang, ma'am. Salamat. Cheeseburger, pineapple.
May ketchup, please. And straw. Ay, okay na straw.
May straw po talaga.
Thank you. Oops, sorry. So, there. Nakuha ko na ang aking cheeseburger na free. Nandito na ako ngayon sa parking. I'm at Forbes Place parking because ang aking classes will be at Forbes Town Center. So, inayos ko na yung mga gamit ko. It's already 12:24 and I've got more than 30 minutes to spare.
Pilit ko konti, ha?
Sige.
Ano maganda yung profit ng market and stuff.
Checking back in, guys. I am with Jeloy. Galing siya sa school niya from Ortigas. Nag-drop by siya dito. It's already 6 PM. Naghahanap kami ng pupuntahan and we'll check back later. Just got home. Yung footage kanina sa Tokyo is at SM Mega Mall. I went there to get the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, which I will be doing a review on, maybe. And then, nanood kami na General Luna. Maganda yung film. Hindi ko alam kung pinapatay ba talaga siya ni Aguinaldo or what, but the film is really good. Right now, I am cleaning the things that I'll be bringing tomorrow, brushes and all. Kasi kanina sa class, I didn't bring anything, so bukas, I'll definitely bring my own, and then lilipat ako ng footage. I'm going to charge the batteries and whatnot before I go to sleep. So, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow for my second day of classes at Makilash Profession. Hi guys, good morning. It's a Tuesday and it's my second day for MP School of Makeup Artistry. So ngayon, nag-aayos ako ng gamit ko before going, and yesterday I did not bring any makeup or brushes. Kaya ngayon, magdadala ako ng sarili ko because we were already taught how to put our foundation using the brush and sponge technique, which I will be sharing soon on my channel. And ngayon, inaayos ko pala, I will be showing what makeup I will bring for today. So this is the makeup bag that I'll be using. This is from Laura Mercier, and ganito siya. Oops, kita nyo na yun. Baliktad siya. So this is the makeup that I'll be bringing with me. Okay, yeah. So I'll be bringing some brushes and curler, and then more brushes in here. These are my Zoeva brushes, and I will be using them for the first time. And then in this area, I have some lipsticks, mascara, lip liner, brow set, and then the eyeshadow I'm using for my brows, eyeliner, eyeliner gel, my Duraline, and then onto the next side. On this side, I have all of my bases. Ito, concealers and primers. Different kinds of concealers for the eye and for my blemishes. And then, the primer from Makeup Forever. That is also a corrector. And on the lower part, I have my foundation. I will only be bringing one foundation. This is the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD because I got matched yesterday when we went to Mega Mall. Talagang hinihintay ko tong foundation na to. I will be doing a review soon, hopefully, if time permits. And then, I have my loose setting powder from Inglot, the mattifying loose powder. And then, my bronzer, which I will also be using for contour, you know. And then, this one is my illuminizing powder, my highlighter. And then, what is this? And I will also be bringing only one blush for day makeup. So, that's it. So for today guys, I'm not wearing any makeup on because I will be doing my base at the school. Bawal daw gawin sa labas, so sa loob ng studio dapat gawin. And today, I'm just wearing my hair straight, just a loose shirt, white shirt from Mango, and then my leggings and my Chanel espadrilles. And bag for the day is still the same with yesterday. This is my Celine micro bag. And yun lang. If you're going to ask me about my accessories, since it is my job, might as well shameless plug. Today, I'm wearing my stainless steel Rolex watch. This is for men's. And then, with diamonds. If you're looking for any specific model of luxury watch, please let me know because that's my job. And then, I'm also wearing 3 rings that I stacked. Sa pinakadulo, that's a full eternity band. As you can see, full siya, as in it's covered with diamonds. And then the next is an engagement ring, but I'm not engaged in any way. Solitaire siya, and then some diamonds at the sides, yung nasa middle. And then for the last ring that I stacked, that's a half band eternity ring. Wala siya sa likod, pero mas malalaki yung diamonds niya. I'm sorry guys, gotta go! Hindi na ako nakapag-update kung ano yung naging result ng first day of classes ko, but all I can say is, noong una, akala ko super basic lahat. Well, basic naman talaga lahat, pero akala ko, alam ko na yung mga ituturo. So, akala ko alam ko na yung mga ituturo because the discussion goes like, what is the use of the foundation, concealer, contouring, and highlight. And then, sinabi lang kung saan dapat i-concentrate ilagay yung ganito, yung ganyan. Parang sobrang basic niya. And then, nung dinedemo na ni Sir Mio, dun ko nakita yung difference of how I do it and of how the pro does it. Kasi, hindi ko alam yung ginagawa niya, yung mag-a-apply ka ng product with the brush and then you're going to blend it in with a sponge. I'm going to show it to you maybe on a foundation routine. I'm not really sure, but I would really like to do a review for the Makeup Forever Ultra HD, yung bagong HD foundation ng newly launched foundation of Makeup Forever. Sobrang mali pala because with what I do, I'm just making the foundation cake. Diba, usually we just apply when we are in a hurry, it's fine, but if you want to look really presentable, the thing is you just don't put the foundation on the brush and swirl it around your face because that's not gonna create the nice base that you want, the nice flawless base that you want. If you are really looking into perfecting your foundation, magandang tinuro ni Sir Mio na yon that I will be sharing. So that's the building where MP School of Makeup Artistry is. Doon siya sa taas. Second floor. Dito kami magpa-park. So, nakapark na kami ngayon. Nagpark naman kami sa Burgos Circle. Ito yung card. Kahapon kasi doon kami sa Forbes Place. So, ito yung card niya, yung kulay green. Kahapon, nakalimutan ko nung color ng card kahapon. So, kahapon, ang binayaran ko sa parking, 110 from 12:30 to 6:30 PM. Ngayon, kaya magkano yung babayaran ko. So, para pag mag-enroll kayo sa MP, alam niyo yung mga parking options pag magdadala kayo ng card ninyo. Zoom ko lang.
And 3. Setting 2.
Yan na yan, Sir Mio.
Oo, tapos i-blend mo ang shadow.
Ganyan ba?
Yan. Kailangan hindi kita yung puti.
Yeah, so yung cover mo. Hindi na kasi pulang-pulang. Saka patungan ng gusto.
Lakas na ano.
Because of the carpet and light.
Ano ba yun?
The makeup.
Ang sakit.
Ayun, umitim na siya.
Nasobrahan. Tatanggalin mo, concealer lang. Ang pamura. Ayan.
Maliwagang concealer o yung dito ko, ayun.
For the eyes, sensitive eyeshadow base, PU eyeshadow duo, and an eyeshadow matte brown. 2 types of eyeliners, black and brown, liquid eyeliner, brown, and then mascara. So, tapos na yung lessons for today. We had day makeup for our classes. And ito yung result ng makeup na tinuro sa akin. May ganito ako sa nose ko. May parang may bump na dahil sa glass. Kaninang umaga, habang papunta kami doon, bumili kami ng, nag-drive-thru kami ng McDonald's. Kaya madumi sa kotse. Ito yung remnants na aming pag-McDonald's.
Saan eh?
Kakadating lang namin ng bahay. So, kaya naingay na nila. Naririnig na nila ako. Dito muna yung gamit mo. Palalabasin namin sila. Mama Lily! I know. Dali, lapit ka rito.
Lily!
Hello!
Hindi siya galit eh.
I know, it's okay. You can go down. You want to go down? I know, don't be afraid. Hey! Come on, Becky! Kakain ako ng dinner and habang nanonood na On the Wings of Love, Otwalista. I'm gonna show you the things that I purchased yesterday at Makeup Forever. Pakita ko sa inyo ah. So I purchased two things. The first one is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer. I did not purchase all of the steps, but this is a radiant primer. And meron din siyang color correcting property. So, I got the yellow one. Kasi sabi ko, I want the green. I told the resident makeup artist, Miss Nikki, hello. Sabi niya, it's not that red. We tried half of my face for the blue primer and then the other half for the yellow. And mas nagustuhan ko yung effect nito para mas naging radiant na wala yung dullness ng aking skin. So, I bought this one. For those of you who have tried the HD, maganda yung formulation niya. But I cannot recommend it for those who have blemishes. Pero this one I can because ang nakalagay kasi dito is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. True, kasi maganda siya pag blend sa skin. Mas masasabi ko na mas may better coverage ito kesa dun sa older formulation. And na-try ko siya. This is my perfect match. I am in 120 or yellow 245. I found the packaging. Ito pala. So, the Ultra Foundation is, yes, I'm correct, 2,700 and the primer is 2,350. Well, we all know Makeup Forever products are not, doesn't come cheap, but they work. The sponges that I used earlier and then the brushes that I also used, I'm gonna be cleaning them. These ones. This is my first time trying the Zoeva ones and I like it. Okay siya. And I don't know if I'm just biased or what, pero I think this is better than my Sigma ones. I don't know. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye! Hi guys! Good morning! It's a Wednesday and it's gonna be my third day at MP School of Makeup Artistry. Right now, inaayos ko lang mga gamit ko before I go. Pagbaba ko, maybe I'll eat my breakfast kasi nakakatamad mag-drive-thru and then pupunta na ako ng Fort. Dapat 11:30, nakaalis na ako para hindi ako masyadong malate. Still be bringing the same things. I'll bring my Celine bag and then my Givenchy laptop case. Then my Laura Mercier makeup bag. Tapos, dadalhin ko ngayon yung beats ko. Very simple outfit of the day. Just some gray shirt from Gap and then black cropped leggings from Gap too. Maganda siya kasi may zipper siya here and then at the bottom may zipper din siya. For my sandals, I'm wearing my Hermes RN sandals. Look like this. Very simple. They call this gold color but this is just actually a brown color. And then, same bag that I used for Monday and Tuesday because tinatamad ako magpalit ng bag. I usually change my bags but nakakatamad. Ito nga yung dinadala ko, malaking bag because marami akong daladala. Just very simple. Celine sunglasses and then the same accessories with yesterday's too. So this is my setup for today. I've lined up everything that I'll be using. They told us to do our foundation and base. Without makeup. is my night makeup. Medyo nasobrahan sa brush ng konti. That's it. I'm just gonna call Jeloy. C5 is left. I guess C5 is left. Third street or that street? Oh my god. C5 traffic as usual. Hi guys, I just got home and from school, from Forbes Town Center, I went to Mega Mall together with my boyfriend because nagkita kami sa Mega Mall. And then, I got some stuff, makeup, and some shirts kasi kailangan ko na ng shirts. Tapos, nandito na rin yung package na hinihintay ko to improve my videos. I'm gonna show you. So, pumunta ako sa SM Department Store and I got 2 things from BU. Dun sa school, ang ginagamit namin is BU and BU Makeup Forever and Makeup Factory products. This primer and then this lipstick. Okay, itong dalawang to. I'm wearing the lipstick right now. Maganda sa kanya, it doesn't accentuate the lines on your lips and it makes your lips look young. Perfect on makeup base, prime, and correct. So, pag inopen siya, yan yung itsura niya. Yan. Dati meron na rin ako nito. 5 Camouflage Cream Palette. These two are like for concealing. This one is for the redness. This one for discolorations, kung saan ka dull looking. And then this one for the dark under eye circles. When you have to correct something like redness, dullness, or discoloration, and then dark under eye circles, ito muna ilalagay mo. And then after mo siya ma-blend, lalagyan mo sa ibabaw ng concealer itong dalawa na to. To get the correct shade, you will have to mix 2 of these shades. Is 2,400 pesos. Makeup. Ako kasi I like just wearing plain shirts and leggings or pants, yoga pants. Something very comfortable when I go out. It's just a black shirt that says "Take me to the moon." Next you have another shirt that says "Start somewhere." Saturdays and shopping. Zoom H1 handy recorder. It looks something like this. It's on around 5,700 or 5,800 and then shipping is 200. Basta less than 6,000 pesos ang binayad ko for this. This is how it looks like. Ay, nakaka-focus na siya dahil wala siyang plastic. Okay. And then sideways, marami siyang buttons here. Bababa na ako. Manunod ako na Otwall. Nandito na yung aking mga doggies. Oh, hindi doggy yun. That's my sister. Oh, ang layo-layo. Kala naman ito.
I know. Tapos yung pusa ko, naglilinis na naman ng pon niya.
Nanonood ako ng Otwall and October 1, mag-amin na. No, oh my God! Kinikilig yung isa dito. Hindi masyado. Very slight lang. Very slight. Yung isa naman. Ayun. Kinikilig din. So, yun. Aliw na aliw kami. Kasabay kong manood yung mga kasambahay namin ng Otwall. And if you don't know what Otwall is on the Wings of Love from Channel 2. You gotta watch it. It's gonna make you kilig-kilig. Charot. Meanwhile, hashtag Otwall Push for Love, hashtag Certified Otwallista. Yun yung pinost ko na picture. I'm gonna show you my planner. This is my planner. I bring this with me wherever I go. And ganito yung itsura niyan sa loob. I'm gonna open it for you. Ganyan. Meron siyang stamp ng pangalan ko.
The things that I would want to do for my channel, it says YouTube. I want to do a channel trailer. I want to vlog more, learn to Photoshop, and learn how to use Final Cut, and learn Adobe CS. What else? And then, I've also listed down some of my concept videos. I want to do what's in my makeup bag. This is requested. Foundation stash or collection. Current Holy Grail. This is a splurge versus save one. Then, my morning routine. Cosmelan Peel experience, since I'll be having my Cosmelan Peel soon. I would want to document everything. 500 peso makeup challenge, what's on my desk, and ano pa ba? I also want to do a brow video kasi may nag-request, and room tour may nag-request din.
That's it for this day. I'll see you tomorrow.
And si Laylee. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Laylee. Ginawang una yung laptop ko. Very good.